YouTubers? Here we go again. We have another unboxing video. I'm not sure who this is coming from, but if it's Amazon, I'll leave my affiliate link down below. And if it's a website, their link will be down below. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go. And thank you for sending me this for a review. Ooh. Here we go. ColdSky. Rechargeable Handwarmers. Definitely use it now. We got winter storm warnings going on all weekend. Especially Kansas City, I think. Wherever the football game is this weekend. This would be good for tailgating weather, parties outside, hunting season, you name it. In case you ever get in a situation, keep this in your car. Get a power bank so you can charge it. It'll be good to go. So definitely check these guys out. ColdSky. I think I'm coming down with the flu. With this weather changing so fast. It is coming. I just hope we don't get that much snow. We usually do, but hopefully we get a break from it. Here we go. Oh, these are nice. Got a lot of stuff in here, right? Give me 1 second. Put this right there. Bam. USB cable. There's ColdSky. ColdSky, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. Check them out. Give them a follow. There we go. Alright. Fits in your hand. Oh yeah. Ooh. Hot. Ooh. I could definitely feel it already. These are nice. Super lightweight, easy to carry. If you're going for a walk or a jog, these will be good for. So it goes higher. Oh man. I mean, I noticed right away. These are really hot. In case somebody has arthritis during the wintertime, these do help warm up your hands a little, you know. Doing Amazon deliveries. So, I mean, yeah, definitely grab yourself a couple of them. Be a nice little gift set to give somebody. Definitely a nice one. It's super compact. USB right there. USB right there. All you gotta do is plug it in to the ports. And then this is how you charge it. Stick this in USB. Charge two at once. Like that. But yeah, definitely, wow. Super hot. Definitely would recommend these. Anyone doing work outside. Amazing technology. Super lightweight, super affordable. Click the link down below. You guys be safe. Have a good night.